Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with the free video for simpler trading / chart patterns mastery. What's today about? Today is about giving people the correct map to make money. So what are we talking about in here? Number one, objectives. Now I put this on StockTwits and I put it on our site. I put it in both places. Now why? Because our alerts a lot of times are raised. There's a lot of great interaction in our community and it's hard to scroll through them. So a lot of times I put them on the StockTwits where I have over 56,000 followers. And when you go to StockTwits, what you're going to see in here is you're going to see a tremendous amount of posts, and you're going to see that I'm watching to see if the NQ goes to the same level of the Russell. Well, it did. Went down another 200 points. That was posted before it happened. Resistance zone, that was posted yesterday. Worked perfect. So I'm just telling you, I try to post good content. Good content. The key is the good content. And the more good content, the better my reputation, the more people that follow me. So if you don't go to our site, at least go to StockTwits. But keep in mind that I might show these like this, but we're doing actionable ideas after I've posted that. The actual ideas are on our site. They're not on StockTwits. So what am I talking about in here? Well, we're going to go to Lamb Research to give you a perfect example. Here's Lamb Research on a daily chart. Now, keep in mind, I did a special Tuesday session last Tuesday, December at the end of the year, about tax loss harvesting. Find the stocks that have done the worst for the year. Well, Lamb Research worked perfect. Perfect. Right in here. The problem is now it's rallied to resistance. It's rallied to this area and it's gotten overbought on a MACD. I explain all our chart patterns, the MACD, the ATR trailing stop, all of those I mention on our site. So on the Chart Patterns Mastery site. So you're overbought at resistance. When that happens, you're looking for the trigger to short it. Well, the problem is the stock that was pulling it all up was a big old chip stock, Nvidia. Nvidia had a keynote speaker today at the Consumer Electronics Show. We were talking about buying on rumor, selling on news. So you didn't have to play this wild stock, but once it reversed right here, that was open season that AMD and LRCX were probably going to go down, not up. So go and check out a 15-minute chart of these. So you had the rally to resistance, and then you had the trigger led by Nvidia. And then if you go to a 2-minute chart, you could see this a mile away. Look at this beautiful, beautiful pattern on the way down. Lamb Research was even better. So the key is you don't have to sell the top. You sell on the way down. That's what this is for. Look at that. Nice top. When it broke, that was it. So the key is that this wasn't a big move yet. This right here, if you pick the exact top, you made probably a couple of points. If you sold on the way down, you made a couple of points. And you had the direction correct. So the key in here tomorrow now is going to be these Russell thingies again. The Russell went to that support that when I was on live, I showed it. That support, this is January 3rd. The NASDAQ went near support but hasn't filled it yet. So the next thing is to go to the non-24 hour. The Russell, has it filled the January 3rd gap? Well, it sure has, right there. And it bounced. How about the S&P? Has it filled the January 3rd gap? Not really. Not yet. Close, but no cigar. It did fill the one from Sunday night that I warned about. How about the NASDAQ? It has not filled it yet. So I think this is what we're looking for tomorrow. If we see the Dow, well, let's take it by DNA. DIA, that's definitely filled the gap. If you could see the DIA rally and the Russell rally, then it's less likely that this has to go all the way to this gap. That's what we're going to watch. The Russell, the transports in the Dow. If they can hold here, then it's more likely that these will hold. Have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.